Hey there, check out this Arduino UNO board. Today we're diving into a super cool project, the LED Blink program. It's simple, but trust me, it's a lot of fun and a perfect way to get started with Arduino. Let's explore the code together. Every Arduino program has two main functions, setup and loop. The setup function runs only once, right when the board powers on or resets. Here, in the setup, pin number 13 is set as an output. And guess what? The built-in LED on the Arduino UNO is connected to this very pin. Now, let's move to the loop function. This is where the magic happens. The loop function runs continuously, over and over again. Inside the loop, the LED lights up bright and beautiful. It stays on for 1 second, and then it turns off. One more second of pause, and then it lights up again. Because this is inside the loop, this blinking repeats endlessly. And that's the beauty of it, a simple rhythmic blink that teaches us digital output and timing. Now, let's upload the code and see it in action on the board. Look at that. The LED is blinking perfectly. Isn't that satisfying? This little program helps us understand digital output and timing control in Arduino. If you enjoyed this, give the video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun and exciting Arduino projects.